So in this situation,
Man
you
is
start from the
learning
bottom,
how to use the
head
chainsaw.
upwards. Okay? So if it's
Dad
under
is
pressure, you got to
teaching
cut from the other
him.
direction. Now, the other thing too is if it's under pressure and you cut it and it's going to swing at you, you definitely don't want to cut that. Okay, so you try cutting right here first. All right. Yep. Now, when your thumb's got to get on that button there because it's a safety, and then you can put your thumb in, pull it over. Okay. Okay. Now, the best thing to do so this thing doesn't cause you trouble when you go in to cut, you want to have the front of your saw right there so that it can't jerk it away from you. Okay. So when you come down in, you want your saw right there at the front. So that way if it tries to pull, it can't pull you around. It's pulling against the front of your saw and it cuts better. Okay, let's try cutting these two here. You cut this one first and then cut that one next. You can use the tip of your saw for the small, teeny, tiny ones.
Oh.
Okay, now we need to come back here because this stuff's in our way. So we got to come back here delimbing. Okay, so start delimbing here. Anything that you can handle. Is that your size? Can you handle that?
Yep.
Okay, then cut it there. You want to be able to handle it. See how you're all over the place?
Okay.
When it's getting like that, I want you up here like this, and then it won't be all over the place for you. It'll be steadier. Go ahead, go.
Unti mo pa. Ayaw mo.
Okay. Get it closer. There you go. Now. Okay, now at this point, you can start grabbing your brush and getting it out of your way. You just pick it up and throw it over your shoulder.
Dad, look, it's not working.
You gotta hold it for a second. When you push it in, hold it and keep a hold of it and it'll take off. Sometimes there's a delay if it's hot. But it's electric. Keep a hold of it longer. Okay, where we start next? What do we need to do next? You wanna go over that one?
Yeah.
Try that one. Okay, what size are you gonna handle? That size right there? All right, get up there, get into your work. Make sure you don't have nothing that's gonna trip over. Oh, what happened there?
Stuck.
I know. Good grief, what'd you do?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you gotta do now? Yep, get up closer though. Get up closer. You wanna be close? Okay, now do it. There you go. All right, what's next? Get your feet on the ground where you ain't gonna lose your balance. You don't ever want to get your feet where you're gonna lose your balance.
Ooh.
Hey, yeah, see there?
Yep.
That's exactly what you don't want to do. You get your feet where you're not on anything. If you're on something, then you need to go to a different spot. All right, let's see what else we need to do. That one's already small.
Let's go there. The next one.
See, you've already got that in your size.
Okay.
That one,
Next
Mino?
one. What's where?
That one.
Ah.
That one. The big one.
Start out here with this one. Cut it in 2 pieces so we
There.
can cut it in 2 pieces so we can work with it. Nope. Yep, right there. Cut it. Nope, down farther. Yeah, right there. There you go. Cut it. All right. Now set your saw down, pick up that piece, and get it out of your way. I said set your saw down and do that. There you go. All right, now you don't have to worry about getting cut by your saw. And you throw it in your pile, and then we come back over here and start in. Okay, where are we going to start at?
Here.
Okay, get it out of your way. Yep. Yep, you should have started farther forward. Now you got to come in here like this. Pull the trigger. Now see that what happened? Don't get your finger off that trigger. Now, if that had done that and it come up and poked you in the eye, why don't you have your safety glasses on? Why don't you have your safety glasses on?
Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Ah, no safety glasses, Mama.
Libot kami. Lipas, Min. Wow. Those mountains. It's very nice. Oh, faster, Min. B? Gapo ba, B?
Ah,
Oh.
Okay, now when you start limbing, you were starting here like this. That leaves a chunk there. So start farther out here. You're not worried. This isn't for pretty. So start out here and cut this.
okay.
Get up there into your work. Now, start your chainsaw before you touch the wood.
Man
Start your
is
chainsaw and get it
wearing-
going before you touch the wood.
Man.
Now go.
Shades.
All right, now cut the next one. All right, now set your saw down and get your limbs out of here. Put them in the pile with the other ones and make sure it's running the same direction.
Come on.
Make sure
Where's
they're
the-
the pile I was thrown into. Make sure they're running the same direction. Yep, just like that. Make sure they run the same direction so they're easy for the tractor to pick up.
Okay.
All right. Yep, all the way to the back here. No. All the way to the back piece is right here, right there.
Wait,
Hey.
Now see,
I'm not balanced.
I know that, but you also started with your saw here. I told you, start with your saw there because your saw is helping you out. Now start your saw and then go into your work. There you go. Okay. Now you need to get this one out of your way right here.
Get out of my way.
Now wait a minute. Is that the right way to cut it?
Nope.
Well, how do you know?
I don't know.
Well, then why did you say, yeah, it's the wrong way? How do you know?
Because
Just
it
because I said
says-
something?
Yep.
Well, maybe, did I save your life?
What?
Did I save your life?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. See how that's under pressure? So when you cut that, that's going to pinch your saw blade right there. So you need to come from the bottom up. Just on that little piece. Yep, right there. Start your saw out of the wood. Don't touch the wood when you start your next saw. Okay, now get your log out of the way.
Hindi yung parang
Alright.
yung antipara, Min. Ipawas, Min.
Where we're starting next.
Let's see.
How big of a piece can you handle? That's what you want to. That's how you want to size it. What can you handle? Can you handle it if you cut it? If you cut it right there, can you handle that piece? Okay, then you cut it right there. Nope. You're going to be under pressure because you should be. Out
Bantay,
here.
Min. Yung tiling.
Nope.
Mapuan.
I was meaning you're going to be under pressure because this limb right here, it looks like it was pushing up, so if you would have come down here, this limb would have pinched it. So I was meaning- Okay, haul your log off.
Okay.
Finish your file.
I'm here.
Make sure it's running straight with the other ones. If that's too big of a limb, next time you'll know. Almost too big, wasn't it? Okay, so next time you know to cut a little smaller.
Pares-parehas,
Alright,
handa ko
where you
namin.
cut next?
Here.
Nope. You need to finish getting this one out of your way. You got to come back there and cut that off. You got to cut it at an angle so you don't get into the other log.
We got this one.
Yep, you need to cut it at an angle so you don't get into this other log. And you cut it like that.
Angle, Min. Pahiwi ko no, Min. Pa-slide.
You cut right there. Where's the tip of your saw? Into that log, and you don't want to be there. You want to be over here to where you
Slide.
get this. If you have to move out farther. If you need to cut right there, that's fine too. All right, now where are you going?
Here.
Up there to the front. Start at the front again. Now make sure you can handle it. What's your size? This one right here? Okay, so cut it up there. Well, if you're gonna cut that one, then cut back there. But this piece here, if you cut here, you just have this log and then you can come back and cut that.
Okay,
And that's cut the
yeah.
bottom. So cut it up there. There you go. Right there, cut it there. All right, now go back and cut back on your farther one. Yep. Pay attention to where that's not going to move for you. If you got to move it, you got to cut it. You need to cut it out of your way. You need to start your saw and have it going before it touches the wood. Because when you start it touching the wood, it hurts the motor.
Tumoy min.
Okay, set your saw down and clear up your work pile.
Ow!
Antay.
Do your best to make sure that you get them all in there the same way, so it's easier for the tractor.
Okay, Dad.
All right, where are you going next?
There.
Nope, we're still working on this tree. We got lots of tree here to work on. Where are you cutting next?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Here.
You got to start at the end and work your way back, don't you? So, what piece can you handle? Start cutting what you can handle.
This one.
Can you handle it? Then cut it. Cut it
Tumo
back
sa
farther,
sa ayo sa tumoy
though.
min.
Back farther here if you can handle it. Right there. Yeah, cut it right there. Get your saw up there. It's a big piece, so get your saw up there.
Oh, anak lagi.
There you go. Start your saw. All right, go. All right, put your saw down. And hey, here's another thing. If you put your saw here and you grab that, you got to walk over your saw, and you can cut your leg. So the best thing to do is set your saw out of your way. All right, grab your piece, see if you can handle it.
I can.
Go, man, go. You got it.
Oh,
Come on, man. You got it. You're going. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
ow.
Okay, now, here's a trick. Can you roll it? Can you grab a hold of it and make it roll? Hey, are you listening? Can you grab a hold of it and make it roll? Or you're just going to try to do that? That worked too. You're fine. That worked too. All right, where's the next piece you're cutting?
You will end the video.
You want to end the video?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're one of them chainsaw people, I don't want to hear your suggestions. He's my son, not yours. Love you, bye.